Hey everybody, welcome to the unboxing video of the OnePlus 15. I recently updated my phone, finally got this new phone, and a couple of accessories that it came with as a gift. Came with a case and this magnetic card holder with stand. This is a aramid fiber magnetic case, and this is the phone itself. This one is the 16 gig RAM, 512 gigabyte storage model. Great phone, super powerful. Let's get to the unboxing. Got our handy dandy knife here. Let's cut her open. The seal is still there, so this is a brand new phone. Never has been opened before. So this is gonna be, wow. So on the inside, don't really have anything. On this one, right over here, you got the Never Settle OnePlus. Let's open this up, see what we got inside here. So in here, it looks like we have the safety guide. Not sure what you'd need a safety guide for this phone or for a quick guide, but pretty sure most people who order this phone know exactly what they're getting, so I don't think you really need that. This is definitely an interesting component. I'm not sure what this is for, but we'll get to that one. Okay, so we'll put that to the side for now. Then we have the phone itself. This one is the Infinite Black model, so this is how it comes. Very, very nice. Yeah, let's get this one open. So just unclip it there. And wow. Wow, very beautiful phone. Oh, feels great. Nice little plastic piece. Feels great in the hands. Very, very lightweight, but feels like strong and durable. So over here you get your SIM card, get your charging port. This is definitely a loudspeaker and probably one of these, or both of these are microphones, I would imagine. Microphone. Then you have your loudspeaker there. On the side, I would imagine this is the lock button. Maybe not. Correct me if I'm wrong. This could be the lock button. This is definitely volume up, volume down. Lock button. Not sure what this one is. I guess we'll find out. And then on the top, we have another speaker. And this looks like looks like an IR blaster possibly. I don't know. Got our front camera. There we go. We got a whole bunch of cameras in the back. 1, 2, 3, and our flashlight. So let's pop this open. Nice little case to hold it temporarily. So let's bring that down here. Then we have our super fast. This is Super VOOC power supply unit. Apparently this one charges at an extremely high rate, 80 watts maximum. Pretty quick for super fast charging. Then comes with the OnePlus Red style USB-C. Pretty nice. And it comes with your standard SIM card removal tool. And that's it. Nothing else underneath. Pretty cool. Okay, let's put this back inside the... Oh. Wow. Okay, I guess we're not putting it back. We're gonna just put this to the side. Okay, so that's... this is the components of the phone that come inside the case. Right there. Pretty nice. Everything else is kind of off to the side. We don't really need that. So next, let's open up this case. Ooh, it's definitely sealed nicely, so we're going to really carefully cut that open. 1 and 2. Surgical precision. Okay, this is the aramid fiber case. I'll put that off to the side. Wow, feels nicely packaged. I'm going to open up this nice and carefully. Just kidding, no we won't. I'll rip that bad boy open. Wow, look at this case. This is actually quite beautiful. So this case is apparent. Wow, look at that. In the sunlight. Whoa, very beautiful case. Feels nice and strong. I love the red. This is beautiful. Okay, let's pop this phone inside here. Watch this lovely, lovely snap. It doesn't even snap. Wow, it just fits so perfect. Wow, in the sunlight. Guys, look at that. Look at that. So beautiful. Very, very nice. Okay. Leave that for the side for now. I wonder what this is. This was one of the gifts that OnePlus provides. This phone case was a gift, and this magnetic card holder with stand was also a gift. Not sure what that is. Whoa, very, very interesting. That's super cool. Okay, so I guess your cards go in there, and then you just swipe them up, just like that. And I think this holds on the back of the phone, correct me if I'm wrong, because it's magnetic. Am I right? Yes. See? It's magnetic, so you can literally... Whoa. Okay, that's really cool. Really, really cool. So yeah, that's it. That's how you hold it. Wow. So you know how people have their credit cards or whatever, or their wallet kind of attached to the phone? Well, this is how you have it for the OnePlus. Goes like that. Then you open it up, take it off, and then swipe a card up. Let's grab a card, test it out. Okay, so we're gonna use a Dave & Buster's card. I believe that's what it is. Okay, so let's put that in there. Just like that. Is it gonna fit? Yeah. Come on. Okay, there we go. So that's how it goes in. And then, wait, what? Okay. Okay, maybe it just needs to be broken in. That's definitely very, very sturdy. I guess because it's brand new, you gotta... Oh, there we go. See? Boom, like that. Yeah, definitely brand new, so you need to... There you go. That's how you use it. Very nice. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so let's power up this phone. We're not going to use the fast charger. We're going to use a nice and slow one just for the first charge. And let's put this phone on charge, and we'll turn it on for the very first time. Okay, so let's plug this bad boy in and leave it to charge for a little bit. This is probably going to take a little while. Oh, it's alive. It lives. So just needed a little bit of juice. I'm pretty sure this phone has been turned on by the factory, but you know, the battery is probably 0, or maybe it's not. Let's see. Smooth to the core. Wow, smart made fresh. Go all in life. Totally agree with that. Never settle. Yes, agreed. Never settle. Oxygen OS. Okay, let's go forward. Oh, it's got 51% battery. Okay, so I'm gonna set up this phone right now, and yeah, then I will do another video for you guys of the phone completely set up, because the phone that I am now filming with is a OnePlus McLaren 7T Pro Edition, or McLaren Edition. It's actually a really nice phone, but I am not going to be using this one anymore because it is definitely outdated, 7 years old. Let me just show you guys. Yeah, so as you guys can see, this is the McLaren Edition. Oh, focus, come on. There you go. See how bad this phone is? It doesn't even want to focus, and the audio and video kind of cuts out. But there you go, McLaren Edition. Very nice phone, but yeah, time to replace it. Yeah, that's what the phone looks like. Very nice holographic on the back. You see the OnePlus, you see the McLaren logo right there. Very, very nice phone. Amazing performance, but it's time to upgrade. So yeah, the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren Edition. Great phone, but yeah. Wish I did a video on this one. It's definitely a great phone, but that's not the point of the video. We are doing the OnePlus 15. Yeah, we are in English, so we're gonna try to get everything set up. We are in Canada, believe it or not. Unfortunately, fortunately, depends. Set up using another device. That's actually what we're gonna do right now. So we're gonna copy all the data from this phone onto this one, and then yeah, that's it. That'll be how to set up this phone. If you are a existing OnePlus user, all you do is just press the buttons on your screen and then on this screen, and it'll basically transfer all the data over from phone to phone. If you're using it for the first time, you press skip and you just go through all the steps. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this unboxing video of the OnePlus 15. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.